Task number 4, introduction. Let's get warmed up. The snow has started falling in Wareville, home of the best festival company, TBFC. The team is preparing for Sockmas, the annual cyber celebration, but something's not right. Systems are glitching, passwords are failing, and McSkiddy suspects something is afoot. This name keeps coming up, King Malher. What could it mean? Before joining the Sockmas response team, you can complete 10 short missions to ensure you're ready. Each one teaches an essential cybersecurity skill and uncovers clues to help get you ready for Advent of Cyber 2025. How it works. To start this challenge, click the View Site button. In the top right corner of the task page, you'll need to press this button again for every new task, as each one loads its own challenge site. Once clicked, the room will open in a split screen view, letting you follow the instructions on the left while interacting with the challenges on the right. This is where you'll complete all of our interactive challenges to get you ready for this year's event. Answer the questions below, warm me up.